You can install an HP printer without any software by using the drivers built into the Windows operating system. The Windows Print driver only provides basic functionality for HP printers. Before installing your printer, make sure it is not connected to your computer with a USB cable. If previously connected, disconnect the USB cable. On your computer, click the Windows button. Type Change Device Installation Settings and then select Change Device Installation Settings from the list of results. From Device Installation Settings, select Yes, do this automatically, or Yes, recommended, and then click Save Changes.
Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your HP printer device, get in touch with our HP printer expert.
Connect your printer to the same wireless or wired network as your computer. You can set up a wireless connection using the Wireless Setup wizard on your printer control panel. If connecting your printer to your computer with a USB cable, connect the square end of the cable to the printer and the flat end to the computer. Windows detects the printer through the new connection and installs the driver. If a Found New Hardware wizard appears, follow any instructions to complete the printer installation. Try to print a document. If your document prints, the printer installation is complete. If you cannot print, click the Windows button. Type Devices and Printers and select Devices and Printers from the list of results. Click Add a Printer. Select your printer from the list of detected devices. Click Next and then follow the instructions to install the driver. Click Finish to complete the installation.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of our videos. And in the case face any problem, get in touch with the experts.